Oil in capsules. Convenient, easy to swallow, with an initial dose of 2 capsules daily. Grow Rich Virgin Coconut Oil in 500 milligrams capsules.
Talagang paalala, ay Grow Rich Virgin Coconut Oil ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng...
I spent years inside the frame.
Kalalakihan, hirap kontrolin at paputol-putol. Pagising-gising sa gabi, ang dating segundo, ngayon minuto. Mag-Sunburst Sopalmeto, ang supplement para sa mga kalalakihan. Mahalagang paalala, ang Sunburst Sopalmeto ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Pahinga ka muna. Amazing na tulog tulad ito. Pahinga ka muna with Sleepwell because everyone deserves quality sleep. Sleepwell is made of melatonin. Pahinga ka muna.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Sleepwell brand ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Tuloy-tuloy ang gana sa...
Nutrilin has more nutrients than other multivitamins. Helps strengthen immunity, maintain good appetite, helps support strong bones. Give them more with Nutrilin.
Unilab yan.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Nutrilin ay hindi gamot at hindi...
You don't need words to know what your little one needs. Comfort. Joy.
Sa mata pa lang, alam mong may talino. Bigyan siya ng HiQ. Tulong sa pagtalas ng isip.
HiQ! Talas na nakikita sa mata.
Marketed by Apetit. Mahalagang paalala, ang HiQ ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
In that moment, watch how the waves roll. Close your eyes. Breathe in. You are strong, confident, radiant. You are going to be just fine. With Metathion, the powerful combination of antioxidants that lets you show off that glow. Don't let anything stop you from glowing. Change your idea of whitening with Metathion.
Mahalagang paalala.